Hi, Jack. How are you today?
Hi, Anne. I'm fine. Thank you.
Where were you last summer?
I was in Dalat last summer.
Were you in the mountains?
Yes, I was. Dalat has many beautiful mountains.
What was the weather like there?
It was cool and sunny.
Was it fun?
Yes, it was very fun.
What did you do there?
I walked in the park and took many photos.
That sounds great.
Yes. Where were you last summer?
I was in Nha Trang.
Was it sunny there?
Yes, it was. It was hot and sunny.
Was it fun?
Yes, it was very fun. I swam in the sea.
Great. I want to go there one day.
You should go. It is very beautiful.
Thank you.